Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I know things are a bit weird right now. Finally have the drivetrain in, but I have the interior out. But there's kind of a reason for that. The other thing I realized after I published my last video was I'm not just taking the interior out to switch it to tan. Yes, that is one of the primary reasons, but I also need to hook up the shifters for the AW4, the doubler, and the MP231. I also have to mount the TCU to control the AW4, and I have to wire up all new gauges, and they're all digital. So taking the dash out, taking the interior out, it's just going to make my life easier for getting those new pieces in. However, today we're not working on that. Today we're going back to working on the V2403, and what I'm really hoping to accomplish today is to get this off the front bumper, the power steering pump. Hold on. As you just saw in the quick time lapse, I painted these. I've let them cure. They're really nice. These are the brackets that I got from KubotaSwappers, so I can bolt a Cherokee alternator and the power steering pump on this side of the V2403. And that is what we're going to try to accomplish today. Okay guys, so I'm back to Project Felicity fighting me. It's kind of amazing how this is a never-ending story. So, got my junkyard alternator on, which is why it looks so bad. I have another one that I had pulled from the junkyard, but it's worse. Couldn't quite figure out how to get the bracket on. And then I realized this spot right here in this thermostat housing wasn't tapped. So I had to tap that. That wasn't a problem. But now I can't get my power steering pump bolted up. But even if I could solve that problem, which is this hard line hose right now, it's hitting the alternator. I just noticed that when I go and I'm kind of looking at it like this, where the serpentine belt is going to ride, this sticks out too far. So I'm going to have to change the power steering pump. More than likely, I'm going to have to get a XJ Cherokee power steering pump. So I've got to make another trip to the junkyard. I'm kind of hoping that will fix this. I'm hoping this fitting is the same. It should be. Well, actually, it might not be. What am I saying? It could be completely different for all I know. But hopefully a new power steering pump will align everything correctly and might also solve my clearance issues. So leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do, and hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. It means the world to me, and if you have, as always, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.